Welcome back, listeners. On today's news, we have Sons of the East returning from their already gone tour. I've heard it on good authority that cracking times were had and many a beers were drunk. In fact, we have word from Timmy Smith from the Brisbane show. Timmy, what do you think?
Oh, for sure.
Thanks, Timmy. Now, ladies and gentlemen, sit back, relax, and enjoy this preview.
Kissed my beer last night and I whispered, baby, don't leave me. Look me in the eye and said, that's way too easy. Yeah, I guess I've done some wrong. Known it, baby, all along. Every time I try, I fail. So I said, baby, save me, 'cause I'm already gone. I need saving, I never felt so torn. Trouble in my head, telling me right from wrong. Baby, save me, I'm already gone. Missed the pool last night 'cause I was out thinking and drinking. Now I'm in some doubt and my head feels like I'm just sinking. Oh no, yeah, I guess I've done some wrong. Known it, baby, all along. Chasing my own tail. So I said, baby, save it, 'cause I'm already gone. I need saving, never felt so torn. Oh baby, trouble in my head, telling me right from wrong. Baby, save me, I'm already gone. I'm already gone, baby. You're calling me, but I'm at the door, baby. Oh yeah, oh you know I'm going. Oh, you had your chance, baby. Oh, you tried too many times, but I'm at that door, you ain't gonna find me. Oh, just sit and cry, baby. Save it, 'cause I'm already gone. I need saving, never felt so torn. Trouble in my head, telling me right from wrong. Baby, save it, 'cause I'm already gone.